My name is Zainab. I came from Tanzania. I was here February 27. I have a hip pain, right hip pain, which radiating to the knee, and also I have abdominal pain. And from my country, the doctor says I have hanging acetabular cap. I was having a THR right hip on 2023, and this pain came after 5 months after surgery. And when our doctors reviews, they saying I'm having a hanging cap. That's why they sent me here for treatment. When I saw the doctor read and do the investigation, he found that I'm not having the hanging acetabular cap, but I have L3, L4 arthritis of the facet. That's why I'm having the right hip pain. And from here, I'm getting the epidural injection, which removes all the pain I have. And now I'm free of pain. What I say for Apollo, I thank you for the treatment they gave me. Thank you, Dr. Red, for the treatment they gave, and thank you for Apollo Hospital for all they have done for us.